Hello, it's Lee here. Welcome back to my channel. So what you're watching today is Junk Journal July. It's a challenge, an open challenge hosted by Meg Journals in collaboration with Get Messy Art. So it's 31 prompts throughout the month of July for you to do in your junk journal. If this is your first visit here, welcome. And I do hope that you will subscribe. There's also the thumbs up button. Don't forget to boop that one for me. Alrighty, so let's get on with this video. So this is day 2, and the prompt for today is Postcard, which is ironic really because I'm participating in a challenge running concurrently with this one. It's by Kerry Griffith called July Postcard Play. So postcards, I had to have a little bit of a giggle when I saw that come up today. So I'm turning my page on the side and put a center line down it so it is postcard. Now you've got to use your imagination here, okay? So that's definitely a postcard. And now I'm going to find some things to stick to it, and I'll just jump in if I think that what I'm doing is not self-explanatory. But I will tell you that that is a woody pencil that I'm using there. It's made by Stabilo. They are actually children's pencils. They're nice big chunky ones, and much the same as a Stabilo ball pencil, it is water soluble as well. So it's great for doing borders. So I'm just going to get on and stick some things down. I'll just go through my box of tricks over here and find what I think will fit nicely into a postcard inspired spread. you like this one. So we've got a stamp up in the corner, got the line down the middle, got some hints at travel all over the page, and this was enjoyable to do. I really liked it. I love the colours, and I hope you will share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button too, and I'll see you in the next one. And until then, stay creative, and hugs and cheers from Australia. Hooroo!